In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay safe on Binance P2p, focusing on the 2025 edition. As we delve into the world of peer-to-peer trading, it's crucial to prioritize safety and security. If you're new to this or just looking for an update on best practices, you've come to the right place. Let's start by talking about the importance of only trading with verified merchants. This might seem like a straightforward piece of advice, but it can make a big difference in your trading experience. When you're browsing through offers on Binance P2p, you'll notice that certain merchants have specific badges next to their names. These badges indicate that the merchant has undergone verification processes by Binance, giving you an additional layer of trust. Alongside these badges, take note of the merchant's completion rate. A high completion rate often signifies reliability, as it shows that the merchant successfully completes trades. Next, I want to emphasize the importance of using only the Binance chat feature for any communication related to your trades. Although it might be tempting to move to a different platform or app for convenience, sticking with the Binance chat ensures that all your conversations are documented and secure. This can be extremely useful if you ever need to refer back to previous discussions. Binance Chat is specifically designed to enhance transparency and accountability, keeping you within a safe and monitored environment. Now let's move on to a critical point. Never release your crypto before receiving payment. This is a fundamental rule in P2P trading. Always wait until you have received and confirmed payment into your account before transferring your crypto to the buyer. If the buyer is pressuring you to release the crypto early, that's a red flag, and you should proceed with caution. Checking the payment proof carefully is another vital step. It's not uncommon for individuals to send screenshots as payment confirmation, but a screenshot is not an actual confirmation of payment. Always ensure that you check your bank account or associated payment tool directly for the funds. If anything seems off or suspicious, don't hesitate to take more time to verify. Lastly, if you ever find yourself unsure or in a complicated situation during your trade, don't hesitate to click on the appeal button. This feature allows you to involve Binance support, who are there to help manage disputes and resolve issues. By appealing, you're ensuring that professional support can step in and assist you, potentially saving you from fraudulent activities. Following these guidelines will help you navigate the Binance P2P market safely and with confidence. By trading with verified merchants, using the platform's communication tools, waiting for payment confirmation, and knowing when to seek help, you can protect yourself and your assets. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.